Hello guys! This is Eva here in your channel, Eva Simple Creation. Alright, let me just go in the middle lane because I'm driving. Don't follow me guys. I'm a careful driver. But anyway guys, today is my birthday. It's actually my birthday month. And I don't have to work because I have a compulsory vacation day because I have too many hours that I need to take for my vacation. So, and I took it, so I don't have to work for the whole week. Starting now on my birthday and until Friday, of course, I don't have to work. So I have to go a little bit of shopping and I do a little bit of pampering. So I have my foot spot today. I have to clean my foot. It's too many colliers. No, I'm just kidding. My feet is always clean, but I just wanted to pamper myself. So I used the birthday gift from my mother-in-law. So I used that for the pedicure. And I do a little bit of shopping for myself. And now I am planning to make some Thai sticky rice with mango. I never done that one before, so I will try to do it and share it to my loved ones. Right guys, so I already prepare the rice, the sticky rice, so I have to prepare it and soak it overnight. I already prepared the mangoes, slice it, and now I will teach you how to cook this Thai mango in a very easy manner, because I have actually a cookbook, a Thai cookbook, and it's kind of like complicated a little bit, but now I will make it so easy for you guys. So we will see you later and I will share to you how to make Thai sticky rice in with mango in Thai style. All right, see you there. Hello guys, this is Eva again here. Alright guys, I just came home from a little bit shopping and a little bit pampering on my birthday. Today is my birthday, it's August 19, and as you can see, I have some decoration here that my daughter prepared for me this morning. So when I woke up in the morning, this is it. Yan, bumulaga na po sa akin. Nako, big 5-0 golden years. I'm a golden girl now. But do I look 50 years old, guys? You know, they say that the 50 is the new 30, and I feel like really 30 years old. Isn't it, Chunks? Oh, Chunks agree. Anyway, guys, so I just turned 50 years old, and but I still feel young. But anyway, guys, today I will share a recipe that I never done before. So it's actually very common dessert in Thailand, and we call it a Thai sticky rice with sliced mango. And this will be my first time doing it. So because it's my birthday, I will share with you a very easy way on how to cook this Thai sticky rice with mango. So let's begin, guys. As soon as I'm done preparing for all the ingredients, we will share with you the best dessert from Thailand. Alright, we're back guys. So ngayon po magluluto na po tayo ng Thai sticky rice. So gagawin po natin ngayon, i-combine po natin ng kaunting English or Tagalog po. Taglish kumbaga. So para maintindihan din ng ating mga ibang viewer na hindi marunong makaintindi ng Tagalog. So I will also put a little bit, inculcate a little bit of English this in our vlog, so our viewer can also understand our vlog for today, right? So in here, I have a sticky rice, brown sticky rice that I soak for a day. So, brown rice po siya na glutinous rice, sticky rice. So, binabad ko po siya ng isang araw para po maganda po ang kanyang kakalabasan. It will be really nice and soft because if I don't soak this brown sticky rice, it will be a bit hard. So, we have to soak it overnight or a day. Alright guys? So, napakadali po itong gawin. So, meron po ako itong Thai cookbook. So, I always look on this every time I try to prepare a Thai dish. But it's quite complicated in this recipe. So, I will make this recipe easy for you guys. So, gagamit po tayo ng rice cooker. So, we will use rice cooker on cooking this recipe. So, meron po tayong coconut milk. We have coconut milk in here. So, I prepare 4 cups of sticky rice in here. As the ratio, like 4:4. So, we will put about 4:5. Okay? So, maglalagay po tayo ng coconut milk dito. So, I'll put the coconut milk in here. And then we also combine water, okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't think we have to put the water. So, we'll just put all coconut milk. So, 5 pong coconut milk, 5 tasa na coconut milk po ang nilagay natin. So, ngayon, we already know that this 33.8 ounces, about 1 liter of coconut milk is equivalent to 5 cups. Alright, now we know. And after that, we will have to put a pinch of salt. So, kaunti lang pong salt, just a pinch, para po mabalance yung lasa, okay? To balance the taste, we'll put like about a pinch and a half of salt. And then, hahaluin po natin ito ng hahaluin. At pagkatapos po, we will cook this in the rice cooker. The magical rice cooker that makes the rice recipe easy for us Asian people, right? Yeah, alright. So, lalagay po natin na ito sa rice cooker at lulutuin po natin ito, okay? Okay, ready na po natin itong ilagay sa rice cooker. Ito po ang aking rice cooker. So, because this is brown rice, meron siyang option to put it in a like cook steam and then brown rice. So, we will use brown rice option. Okay? Pero may mga iba naman na walang option. Medyo high-tech po yung ating white rice, ating rice cooker. So, we will have to use instead of the steam, we will use the brown rice option. Okay guys, so, handa na po natin. Ilalagay naman po natin ito dito. Sa mga kababayan po natin na walang rice cooker, so, bumili na po kayo. Napakadali pong gamitin ito at malaking tulong po sa inyo pag meron kayong rice cooker. And friends that I have here, guys, you have to buy rice cooker. It will really very helpful for you to make your rice dish. Okay? So, now, we will put this rice with the coconut milk and pinch of salt in here. Iluluto po natin ito. Ganito, napaka-easy. These tools will make your life easy. Alright, so we'll have to hook the rice cooker. And then we'll have to put cook. And then we will have to select the brown rice set. Okay? Alright, and we'll be back probably in about 30 minutes. Sometimes it's less. So it will be cooked. Okay? Check na natin tong rice. Sabi dito sa rice cooker, it's cooked. So, pag green ito, ibig sabihin luto na. Pag red, still cooking. So, look like it's green and now it's cooked. Alright, buksan na natin. Nako, ang bango guys. The smells of rice and the smell of coconut milk. It's good. And you hear that sound, guys? You know what it's mean? It means goodness, delicious, delectable, and super yummy. Ito na, ready na siyang ilipat sa ating lalagyanan, sa ating serving dish, itong malagkit na bigas. Now just to remind you that I use brown rice instead of white glutinous rice. So, we want this recipe to be a bit healthy. Ang bango. Ang bango-bango. Kung narito lang kayo, talagang napakabango nitong ating sticky rice. So, tapusin na natin ang paglipat ng kanin. Pagkatapos nating ilipat ang malagkit na bigas dito sa ating lalagyanan, serving dish, lalagyan na natin ng dekorasyon sa ibabaw. Okay? So, this is Thai sticky rice with mango. So, we will be putting mango as the garnishing and part of this delectable dessert. Okay? So, naghiwa ako dito ng mga hinog na mangga, ripe yellow mango, at meron ako natira ditong mangga na ginamit ko doon sa ating ginawang no bake, no steam mango cake or mango pudding cake. So, gagamitin din natin to. Okay? So, ganito ang gagawin natin. Itong mga hiniwa natin na maninipis, ito yung pinaka garnishing sa gilid. Ganyan siya. Paano ba itong gagawin natin? Siguro, mga ganyan. Ganyan natin. Yan. Lalagyan natin ng konting garnishing dyan. Siguro ganon. Yan. Hindi ko ganong master ang pagdidekorasyon. Pasensya na po kayo. Okay, hindi ko ganon siya master, pero I will try my best, guys. But I'm pretty sure that this sticky rice will be good. Yan, ganyan natin siya. Lalagyan lang natin ng ganyan. Yan, hanggang sa maubos yung ating slice mango. Ganyan lang siya. Okay, para pag kumain sila, bawat dakot o bawat ano bang tawag doon, in every scoop may makukuha silang mangga. So, yan. Naku, meron pa kailangan pare-parehas yung yung shape. Ganyan siya. Ganyan. Okay na siya, di ba? Diba? Okay na siguro yan. Tapos, ganyan siya. Ayan. Ganyan pa natin kasi marami yung mangga. Alam mo ito, isang buong mangga to. Hindi pa kasama dun yung buto. Kasi yung Mexican mango na nabili ko sa Sam's Club, ang liit ng buto niya, mas marami ang laman kaysa yung buto. Yung ibang mangga, mas malaki yung buto kaysa laman. Kaya ito gusto ko siya. Tsaka yung tamis niya, ang sarap, ang tamis din niya. May isang klaseng mangga na hindi ko gusto. Yung ma-fiber siya. Ito hindi ma-fiber. Kahit hinog na hinog siya. Ano pa rin talaga siya. Maganda pa rin talaga yung kanyang laman. Hindi siya fibrous. So, this kind of mango is not fibrous. Unlike other mango. That's why I really like it. So, alright. I think, ubusin ko. Parang gusto ko siyang ubusin. Sayang naman kasi Yan. Yung mga ibang nawalang ganong shape, iiwan natin yan doon. Ito yung maganda yung shape niya. Ilalagay natin. Okay? Okay. Tapos, yung mga natira nating, yung bang tinadtad natin, yung hindi slice, ito yung bite size lang. Ilalagay natin dito. Ganyan. Parang ganyan siya. Igaganyan lang natin dyan. Ilalagay natin dito sa bare spot. Okay? Alright, guys. So, kita nyo naman ang ating dish. Diba? Hindi na nakita yung kanin. Pero okay lang yan. Para naman masayahan sila. Ang sarap, diba? Tikman na natin. Okay, ito na ang ating sticky rice with mango. At titikman na natin. Okay. Titikman na natin ito. Medyo iba siya sa regular white sticky rice kasi ang ginamit natin is medyo healthy. Healthy siya kasi brown rice. Pero maraming asukal. At saka coconut milk. But anyway, guys, let's try this one, okay? At maglalagay ako ng konting mangga na natira dito kasi I like mango. Let's try this! Oh, I'm so excited. Alright. Mainit pa siya pero ang sarap. Gusto ko talaga mas maraming mangga. Kaya maglalagay pa ako dito ng ibang. Ang dami ko kasing mangga binili Isang kahon na binili ko sa store. Mura kasi summer. Kaya mura lang ang mga mangga, prutas. Seasonal kasi. Kaya guys, try nyo sa bahay nyo to. Okay? Try pa uli natin. Nako. Wala yung diet ko ngayon. My diet is down the drain. Alright. I bet my kids, they're no longer kids. They're adult. But they like dessert. They like Filipino dessert. And they will like this. The rice there is a bit bite in the brown rice because this is brown rice. No matter how you cook the brown rice, there is also they will have a little bite on the rice. But it's cooked and it's healthy. It's a little bit healthy, guys, compared to a regular white rice. But guys, it's another first time a charm here at Eva's Simple Creation. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please click and subscribe below. Guys, try to cook this. You will love it.